Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're gonna see how to enable voice typing on GBoard. So the first step is to open the Play Store. From here, search GBoard. Now just install the app. When the app is fully installed, just open it. From here, enable it in settings. Alright. Go back, select input method, select GBoard. From here, tap on done. Now go to the search, tap on the microphone icon over here, tap on while using the app. Now as you can see, we have enabled voice typing on GBoard. So if you have GBoard installed on your smartphone and you want to enable voice typing, just go to the settings, search keyboard list and default. From here, tap on keyboard list and default, and from here you can enable or disable voice typing on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.